Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my another video. Today I am again back in another Bitcoin graphs and chart. So I shall describe everything about the graph. So let's start. First of all, I open the Bitcoin graph. Then I go to the 1-day chart. You look the graph going to down, and if I go to the 1 week chart, this graph going to down. If I go to the 1 month chart, look, the graph is going to down. So if I go to the 1 hour chart, you can see the graph going to down, and I go to the 2 hour chart, this graph also going to down, and if I go to the 3 hour chart, this graph going to down, and if I go to the 4 hour chart, this graph going to up. So it's so difficult where the graph going to. If I go to the 1-day chart, you can see the graph going to down. I think the graph is going to downward. So I think this graph going to down, and it also go to the this place. I think so. If you know anything, you can share in the comment below. So I think everybody understand. Now I show the today's Bitcoin price. Today's Bitcoin price is $40,861.70. Today's Bitcoin price is 1 BTC is equal to 40,861.70 USD. So I hope everybody like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.